unless they left.
He's gonna have a hard time getting out.
James R. Barker was in here last night. They left in this crap. Went straight north.
Right across the lake?
Yeah. We're right straight into the waves all damn night, but they were only making 7 knots all night.
The first Monday of December, and then the finals, where you can take a crack if you've earned your way through the prelims.
That was a good move, don't you think?
Huh?
So don't you think that was a good move?
I don't know. I'm kind of surprised that they actually left in that crap.
These guys are probably camping and waiting. Looks like a train hasn't even come up and picked the cargo from the Barker. Does it? Oh, there's a freighter right there. They're freaking, whoa, that thing is huge. Overstar?
It's your chance to save on
Wow.
tuition to Midwest Truck Driving School in Escanaba. This certificate is good for the December or January.
Oh, I guess you just didn't stop far enough in.
It's valued at $3,600. You can buy it now for just $2,550. Save over $1,000. Get all the information when you visit the Internet Shopping Show at RadioResultsNetwork.com.
Why is it like red right here?
Just turned up.
Whoa.
Watch Ellen today at 5, 4 Central on TV6. A winter snowstorm is slamming Upper Michigan. Hello, I'm Steve Aspel. Tonight on your TV6 Early News, a look at the efforts to move the snow and keep traffic moving in Upper Michigan. TV6 meteorologist Carl Bonet will have the latest on the storm threat and what's coming for the rest of your week. It's also Veterans Day today. There are special events taking place, including ceremonies at the Jacob Eddy Veterans Home in Marquette. It's all tonight on your TV6 Early News.
While cutting molding with a 12-inch dual compound miter saw, while holding a newborn baby in your arms, went face-to-face with a congregation of alligators, with the ball in your hands and the entire freaking season on the line.
There are a million places you'd never consider texting. So why would you do it while driving? NASCAR driver Casey Kane here, asking you to please stop the text. And together, we can stop the
Go find a hardware store now.
Don't really have any hardware stores
in Marquette.
You got your apples, got your beets, got your beer, got your sleeping bag.
I want beer. Not really.
Deader than dead hot sauce. You got your earplugs, jerky, long johns, pasties, enough camo to cleverly conceal the entire tunnel of branch. And of course, don't forget your gun like you did last year. You forgetting something? The only thing that'll set you free for a good dose of rip snorting, card playing, moon howling, cross stuffing deer camp? Okay, repeat after me. I hunt and I need help. Again, I hunt and I need help. Okay, now get your hunting trucks over to Riches and Jewelers and say, I hunt and I need help. They'll make sure you have a guilt-free pass to camp, and your wife will be smiling upon your return, even if you forgot her lasagna pan again.
Jeff Richardson here. Hunt hard, man, and after you see us, feel free to stay an extra day or two.
Don't push it, Jeff.
Just kidding, ladies. Just kidding.
Time to start another hunt at Richardson Jewelers.
Escanaba and Marquette.
Take the work out of holiday shopping, driving from store to store in the cold and blustering weather. Check out
Yesterday was the anniversary of the Ed Fitzgerald.
Largest mall in Wisconsin.
Yeah, that's what I thought yesterday was, because yesterday we were listening to music in gym. Well, we were working out and the song was on, so.
As low as $72 per night, excluding Packer weekends. Just ask for the Holidazzle rate. The Candlewood Suites of Appleton, just off College Avenue, 920-739-8000.
They're on lazy warm on the boat.
Of course they are.
Sitting in their rooms watching satellite TV.
And the Marquette Cinemas special admission price is only
Probably.
$4 per person for their special one-time.
Actually, right now we're probably in the galley.
Progeny Heroes closest companion
Doing what?
is Baymax. A robot
Some of that great
sole
cooking.
purpose is to take care of people. When a devastating turn of events throws
If you like it so much, why don't you go back and work for them?
he transforms Baymax Alex and his other friends into a band of high-tech heroes.
Huh?
I just might. Don't tempt me. You'd be stuck on and live with me, Hannah, Morgan, and Richie all the time.
Oh yeah, good point.
Why is Baymax wearing carbon fiber underpants?
He's glorious. Visit the cinema today for your reserved seats. Tickets are just $4. The special Family Day showing of Big Hero 6 this Saturday at 10 a.m. at Willow Creek Cinema in Escanaba, Tri-City Cinema.
But you wouldn't quit your job for that, would you?
Need a news update right away? How about the latest UP weather information?
No.
This is Sue
Good.
Parker from Lyman Jewelers, and for those things and
Because I think you get paid more working for the DNR than you do working for Freighters, don't you?
While you're there, click on the
Yeah.
Diamonds button. Check our
I get
Facebook link for a
paid
Thursday
more
trivia contest that could
working at
win you a
DNR, but I
$10
would make
certificate
more
from the legendary Crispinia's restaurant. Check out our other promos
for
and giveaways too.
Freighters.
Lyman Jewelers and radio results. Best way to shop,
Overtime
win,
and shit.
stay
So technically making more is better than getting paid more?
Well, it is when you work on the boats, because what else you gonna do?
Oh yeah. This car's kind of put in.
What?
Said a lot of these cars are still kind of put in. Am I wrong? Saying the truth's another way. I ain't trying to do what everybody else doing. Just 'cause everybody doing what they all do. If one thing I know, I'm fine what I throw. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I've gone, so I'm alive. Again, we could be something for you. No, I'm trying to reach the things that I can't see. But that's just how I feel. Calling somebody?
What?
Is he calling somebody?
Yeah.
Oh, having a vision. Park is that? Tourist park?
What?
Said that's tourist park right there, right? That's just how I feel. Roll. What's this building?
Hello? Kim? Hi, this is Chris. Yeah, I know. I was just calling him to say how much this sucks. Oh man, it's up to my knees easy. Yeah, that's probably pretty close to what we got. But our problem, you probably got the same problem there. It's just so heavy, it's so hard to snow blow. Yeah. Yeah, I was out there, and then I blew a shear pin. So then I had to come into town, and Ace Hardware is closed due to weather. Yeah, isn't that nice? You know, wouldn't you think the hardware store would stay open just for... Yeah, well, I have to go up. I'm on my way in the Menards right now, so... Because I gotta have a shear pin. It's actually better in town than it is out there.
There's the armory.
Yeah. Right.
song is this? I'm just gonna turn it up a little bit.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's actually. There were a few times as the day progressed. I started wondering whether or not I was actually going to make it to Harvey or back home, even for that matter, because Little Lake Road and Karen Road was getting so sketchy that I was actually pushing snow with my bumper on 2 tracks. You know, yeah, it was getting pretty dicey. But just now when I was coming into town, we ran into the grader, so they're out there. Which just means I have more work to do when I get back home, but oh well. Oh, they haven't even... Oh yeah. Oh yeah, kind of a pain when you're blowing snow. Alright, well, I just thought I'd touch bases and say how much this sucked, so... Yep. Yeah, just keep going. Yeah, well, I'm probably taking tomorrow off. You might mention that to him, so I don't know. I'll probably talk to him later, but I don't think I'm coming in, so. Okay, thanks, Kim. Talk to you later. Bye.
Who's Kim?
Kevin's wife.
Oh. Where's Kevin at then?
He's up blowing snow.
Oh. They got the same problem as us?
Yeah.